order lifecycle management, including tech pack creation, costing, sampling, and bill of material planning. Time and action calendar that tracks the entire production lifecycle right from development to delivery. Purchase an inventory module where you can generate raw material purchase orders, manage and optimize raw material inventory, and track consumption. Production tracking helps you track all the different production processes, such as cutting, stitching, washing, embellishments, finishing, and packing. The shipping and logistics module helps you generate invoices, packing lists, and other documentation needed for shipping the goods locally, as well as internationally. All these modules can be integrated with our comprehensive financial accounting application that provides seamless integration with your operations, thereby giving you real-time visibility into your finances. In addition to that, BlueKaktus can also be integrated with standard financial accounting systems to provide you with a single source of truth.